Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Sidra Smith. I just finished checking out the Housewives of DC, and it's actually a lot of fun. These girls are hilarious. And I came to support my good friend Paul Wharton, who's considered the sixth housewife, but I think you guys should tune in because it's entertaining.
Here come Paul now. He's looking like a rock star.
Paul! I'm actually talking about that.
You are?
Yes,
What are you saying?
Paul Wharton, guys. He's the sixth housewife on the Housewives of DC.
Well, no, legally I can get married now in DC, so.
Oh, really? Oh,
So
okay.
if there are any hot
right.
single guys out there,
With six housewife type money.
holla, holla,
By the time you get
holla.
married for the sixth time, you gotta have a whole bunch of money. Isn't that the truth? Hey. All right, to the after
Housewives
party.
of DC,
That's right.
Bravo. Thursday
Next week, my
night.
birthday party, right? What's gonna happen there?
What's gonna happen?
Am I invited?
Yeah, come on through. Come through my birthday. Oh, it happened last year. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's right in October. Can you guys get together? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
So Mikhail didn't come because Tareq was banned from this party. So
Is that so?
that's so. Yeah. That's
Why
so.
do they call Tareq Handgun?
Why do they call him handgun?
Yeah, that's like his internet nickname.
Handgun? What is he?
Like he carries a gun with him or something like that.
I can't afford the bullets.
All right.